guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me this beautiful scarf. This is the RIIQIICHY Women Scarf in beige color. I really love this scarf because it's so neutral. I can use it with so many different outfits, and I also love the material. It's such a soft material, super good quality as well. It hasn't worn out at all, which I love. And I also love that it's versatile and I can use it in so many different practical ways. If I just want to use it as a scarf, wrap it around my neck like this, it feels so warm, so cozy, which I love, and it also doesn't feel too heavy. So it is lightweight and I can take it with me wherever I go, which is great. And also I can even use this as a wrap because it does have the right length and width for it, and it looks so nice even over a dress. So I would definitely recommend this scarf if you're looking for yourself or to gift. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.